In this video, I'll be showing you how to shape up a goatee. The first thing I do is shave down the hair on the face with the clipper first, that way it won't put as much stress on the trimmer blade. If you went straight in with the trimmer, it could probably do it, but it might snag in a few spots. So here I'm following up with the trimmer and I'm using light pressure. The number one tip that I could give you to reduce irritation is to just let the trimmer do the work. As you can see, I'm just letting it glide across the skin. I'm not really pressing down. After the bulk of the hair is trimmed away, now I'm going to begin making my rough draft. So I'm not trying to get this line as sharp as possible. I just want to kind of put in a line to see where I'm at. And then I'm going to clean the hair up under the chin. And once again, I can't emphasize enough, especially in the neck area. People are often very sensitive in this area, so just let it glide. And if you need to, stretch the skin with one hand and then let the trimmer do the work with the other hand. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Thomas. I'm a licensed barber and soon to be licensed instructor, and I make haircut tutorials and any content related to barbering. So if you keep watching and you get value out of this video, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, comment what other types of videos you guys would like to see on this channel. And for the returning subscribers, you guys know my golden rule. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do it to the other side as well. So that's all we're doing here. And if you're watching this video because you want to improve your barbering skills, what I recommend you do, find someone that will let you cut their hair, pull up this video and go step by step. Experience is the best teacher. You can watch haircut tutorials all day, but until you actually get the clippers and trimmers in your hand, then you'll never get better. And you see me going against the grain with the trimmer. Against the grain just means opposite the way that it naturally grows. So if the hair grows down, I'm cutting it up. That's because it gives you a closer shave. Whenever I'm performing a shave, I always do it with the teeth of the blades facing up. And that's because if I were to turn the trimmer blades towards the skin, it would be more like a digging motion, and that would cause more irritation. And the goal is to get a clean shave without the client bumping up or experiencing any redness. Now we're moving on to the general shaping of the goatee. Here I turn the clipper over and I'm shaping the bottom just because I wanted to have that nice rounded look. So I picked out the hair and then I'm just shaping the beard similar to how it would do if I were shaping an afro. And you see the lever on the clipper is slightly open. When I shaped the bottom of the chin, I closed the lever because I wanted a more precise cut. And then here I just took the one guard and smoothed down the mustache. And that's because he doesn't like his hair growing over his lip. So now I take a different trimmer that's set a little bit closer. And now I'm trying to put in a hard line to make it more precise. Here I'm getting the hair from around the lip. Also, communicate to your clients what you need them to do to get the haircut as precise as possible. If you need them to ball their lip or puff air in their cheek, just communicate that to them. So here I'm following up with the electric shaver, and this will give you that razor close shave without the risk of cutting or nicking the client. And it's much faster. And once again, I'm using light pressure. I am not digging or using heavy pressure. And this is the end result. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment below. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you have a great day.